Yeah, we mic'd up again. But I put on brand new forks on the beast. Keep it fresh. First things first. Take off the wheel. Boom. Then, wait, do I have to? I do not. But the gyro plate, get that settled, get that going. Okay. Valid. 5 motherfucking mil. Twist, you know, these are the title. I like to call them tittle. Tittle stems, tittle bars, tittle gyro, tittle seat, tittle. Not gonna go any further. Actually, nah. Tittle seat's not doing so well. Put this bitch to the side. Like my 0 side bitches I got. Got nobody on the sidelines actually. Because we focused on ourselves. Because we want to go pro. Okay. Alright. That we are moving on time. No way did not come with a piece. Stupid bat. Boom, bam, bada bop, boom. Pow! I used to work at a bike shop. That didn't last long because my how-tos from Sam Pilgrim were not working. They did not like the quality of the builds. Circular fashion. Oh yeah. Put this tittle box back. So 10 mil is quite the difference. I know I'll feel it. Pause. 10 mil is a big difference, honestly, because when you look on average, 110 to just 10 mil, it's a big difference. Pause. And let me show you why. Wait, are these? Bart would have had this done by now. I break out the tittle box again. FSA. On. Spacer. On. Another spacer. On. Go like that. Then we go like this. Oh my god. It's so hard. Pause. Oh my. Oh my god. That good? Ew, it looks so short. That's what she said. Oh. Come on! So close. That's what she said. Alright, this is so annoying. Come on, Tittle!
Double check, triple check.
Alright, now we put the metal to the metal. Alright, we're cutting to a time lapse on this one. Alright, that just took all my energy and patience away. I am not happy to build this anymore. This is also another reason why I didn't last long at the bike shop. Alright, we are on track, on pace to get this done in time. In time for what? Time for bed. Because I'm tired of this crap. I am so stupid. Okay. Star nut time. This tool's kind of cool. Put this, then, boom. We will have a hard time getting this out. I just fought with this for about 30 minutes. The star placer thingy got stuck on here. So then, as you can see, absolutely destroyed it trying to get it off. But hopefully it still works, and more reasons of why I did not last long at the bike shop. Okay. Now, we put this on. The crickets are now cricketing. It's getting late. Okay. The wheel on. Put the star nut. Okay, all right, now time for the adjusting, which should be the easy part. Let's put those back on the rack. I tell you, man, matte green does not last long. Cricket's going crazy, man. That's how you know we ultra close to bedtime. Pull that down. A little more. That's how you know they're running good. Torque wrench out. Now for the most annoying part, getting the bars straight. Time lapse starting now. All right. Now for the air. Do not exceed 250. Let's see what this feels like. All right. That's it. New fork is on. About 160 PSI, a couple clicks. 6 clicks from the top for rebound. Bar spins. Good tail. It's a little shorter, 10 mil, but we got the risers on the top to even it out. So feel like no difference at all. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I had to chop this video up so much, bro. I hate working on bikes, no cap. But gotta do it. Like and subscribe.